Hey everybody, it's Jennifer, and today I thought I would show you myself getting ready to go to, I think I was going to college today, my classes. We're going to start off with the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer. Like always, I will have all the products I'm using listed down below, so you should definitely go check out my description box. I also have other videos from my channel down below, as well as my Instagram linked, and I would love to have you guys as a subscriber. We're doing a giveaway when I hit 200. So all I've done while I was talking is add some of the Blistex lip serum, and now I'm going in with the Maybelline Dream Cover Foundation in 110. I'm pretty sure it's the lightest shade, and I'm just blending this out with my dampened Wet n Wild Beauty Sponge. Who just gets upset on the, that part of the neck, way down there? I do. That's who. Just me. I'm just building up the coverage a little bit on my forehead and kind of on my cheeks. I have a lot of redness all of the time. So now I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Swan and the ColourPop No Filter matte concealer in Fair 00. And I mainly use the Too Faced, and then I add one little divot of white. The white just helps to highlight and brighten where I want it brightened, but where I just want extra coverage, I'm only using the Too Faced. You know what, guys? I definitely just realized I wasn't going to class. This is at night. I'm going to work. I'm getting ready for work. So now I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in 05 Fair, and I definitely just use my sponge. I use the back side of it with no powder on it to stamp out any of my creases, and then I flip it over and set it with the powder. Next, we're going to take the Physicians Formula Multicolored Light Bronzer, and I'm just using a Wet n Wild brush, and I'm not really contouring with it. I'm just kind of warming up my face from where I'm so freaking pasty. I just hit my temples, around my hairline, and my cheeks, and a little bit over my nose, but that's pretty much it. And then I'm going to use a little bit of the Becca Moonstone highlight, just a teensy little bit. I don't want to be over dramatic at work. And now I'm going in with the Ulta Ultra Slim Brow Pencil in the shade Auburn. Your girl is lacking in the eyebrow department, and it takes me forever to do my eyebrows, and then I'm never happy with how they look, so I'm so sorry. There's so much of my eyebrow. I'm just running my spoolie through them one more time and kind of trying to make sure I have them exactly how I want them, and I don't. Just don't even worry about it. Not even a little bit. Now I'm going to take the Rimmel Brow This Way kit in medium, and I'm just using the powder and an eyebrow brush from Morphe, and I'm just kind of running that over my brow to fill any spots I might have missed, and I use it to kind of feather the front of my eyebrow. And now lastly, to finish my brows, I'm going to take the Ulta Beauty Brow Tint in the shade Auburn as well. This has fibers in it, so it kind of makes your eyebrows look a little fluffier and more full of life, which I definitely don't have going on. Now we're going to run into the Morphe and James Charles palette. I think this is my first time using it. I just got it. And I'm going to start with the shade Tune, which is this really pretty matte peachy kind of shade. And I'm focusing it into my crease, but it's pretty much covering my entire eyelid because I'm super messy. And now I'm just going into Code James, which is a more orange tone, and I'm just using that to darken it a little bit and add a little more depth to my eye. This look is extremely easy, but I really liked how it came out, if that counts for anything. I'm taking the same shade Code James and running it along my lower lash line a little bit, once again just to define my eye a little bit more. And we're ignoring using that shade because I definitely did not like how it looked whatsoever. I end up here in just a second going in with the shade Ringlight, which is way prettier and way more reflective. So I'm just putting that on the inner corner of my eyelid, and then I go back in with my crease brush to blend the two together a little bit more. This was a super pretty warm tone eye, which I live for all of the time. I'm also taking the shade Ringlight and doing a brow bone and inner corner highlight just a little bit. And now I'm going in with Maybelline Lash Sensational in black. This is my favorite mascara. So I'm just doing a really healthy coat on my top and lower lashes. James came to tell me he loves me and give me a kiss. And right now I'm just telling James that I tore off my acrylics because I can't deal with them anymore. I just set my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, and now I'm doing a really simple everyday nude with Covergril Katy Matte in Sphynx. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!